Good morning, students. This is Harshara teacher, and today we are going to learn adjectives from the lesson number 9 Wren and Martin book. Okay, so basically, what is an adjective? A word used with a noun to describe or point out the person or thing which the noun names or to tell the numbers or quantity, it's called an adjective. For example, 1. Sita is a clever girl. So in this example, clever is the adjective. I don't like that boy. In this example, that it is pointing out, and this is an adjective. He gave me 5 mangoes. How many mangoes? 5. So 5 is an adjective. There is a little time for preparation. So here little is an adjective. This is how we have seen what is an adjective. Now we will see the kinds of adjective. So there are 7 kinds of adjective. First is quality, second is quantity, then demonstrative, interrogative, emphasizing, exclamatory, and number. So in number there are 3 kinds of adjective, that is definite, indefinite, and distributive. So in definite there are cardinal and ordinal types are there. So now we will see each one of this. So first type of adjective is adjective of quality. In this kind or quality of a person or a things are explained or told. So see here, he is an honest man. So honest is the adjective of quality. Then Kolkata is a large city. So large is the adjective of quality. The foolish old crow tried to sing. So foolish old, it is also a quality of the crow. So this is an adjective of quality. Then second time is adjectives of quantity. Here in this type of adjective show how much of a thing is meant as. For example, 1. I ate some rice. So some is told us about the quantity. He showed much patience. So patience, much patience, it is also a quality. You have no sense. So here it is also a quality. So here no is the sense. In this way we have seen the adjective of quantity. Now we will see adjectives of numbers. So how many persons or things are meant, or in what order a person or a thing stand? It's called the adjectives of number. For example, the hand has 5 fingers. So here 5 is indicates the number, so that it is the adjective of number. There are no pictures in this book. No, it is also there. Nothing means 0. So it is also indicate the number. Sunday is the first day of the week. So first is also indicate related about the number, so that it is also adjective of the number. There are 3 kinds of numbers of adjective. So that also we will see now. So kinds of number adjectives are, first is definite numeral adjective. In that 2 kinds, cardinals and ordinals. Then second is indefinite numeral adjectives, and third is distributive numeral adjectives. So now we'll see that also. So first we will see definite numeral adjective. In this, which denote an exact number. Suppose for example 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are the cardinal types, as we have earlier said that in definite type of numeral adjective there are 2 kinds. One is cardinal and another one is ordinals. So ordinals are first, second, third, etc. Okay. So in this way there are 2 types of adjective, cardinal and ordinals. Cardinals such as 1, 2, 3, and ordinals are first, second, and third. So these are called the definite numeral adjective. So it is shown that definite means the definite number. Then another is indefinite numeral adjectives. So indefinite numeral adjective means it doesn't define the numbers, exact numbers, okay, which do not denote any exact number. It is called the indefinite. For example, all, no, many, some, few, any, certain, several, etc. In this type of numeral adjective, we cannot say the exact number, so that it is called the indefinite numeral adjective. And the third numeral adjective is distributive numeral adjective, means which refer to each one of a number. For example, each boy must take his turn. So in this, each is shows the distributive. Every word of it is false. So again it is also distributive. Either pain will do, neither actions it's true. So all these are a distributive types of numeral adjective. So when you will see mark in any sentences, that time you can see that it is a distributive numeral adjectives. Then the next one, it is demonstrative adjective. So demonstrative means point out which person or a thing is meant for. Okay, so for example, this boy is stronger than Hari. So we are pointing out on this boy. So this is again a demonstrative adjective. Then I hate such a thing. Such, again we are demonstrating on the such thing, so that it is also a demonstrative adjective. Demonstrating means pointing out something. Okay. Then next one is interrogative adjective. What, which, and foods, when they are used with nouns to ask question, are called the interrogative adjective. For example, what manner of a man he is. Here, what is used before the noun, so that it is interrogative. Then which way shall we go? So here again the way is also noun, so that interrogative adjectives are used over here. So like this we will use the interrogative adjective to ask the questions. Then emphasizing adjective. In this type of adjective, own and very are used. For example, I saw it with my own eyes. So in this, own, eyes, so own is indicating the emphasizing, so that it is an emphasizing adjective. That is very thing we want. So very is also an emphasizing adjective, so that we are using this type of adjective for emphasizing the things. Okay, now next is exclamatory adjective. The word what sometimes used to show the expression, so that it is an exclamatory type of an adjective. What an idea, what a blessing. So this here, what word is indicating the exclamatory adjective, and it is shows the emotions of the persons. Okay, so in this way we have learned about the various kinds of adjective. Let's summarize the adjectives type first. See, first we will see in the quality. Quality is also quality is indicating means the person's quality, the kind of quality the person or a thing has. Then the quantity. Quantity means how much of a thing. Means if we ask the sentence how much, then it will shows us about the quantity. Then demonstrative. Demonstrative means indicating something or pointing out something towards it. Suppose this boy, that boy, this session, everything, that is called the demonstrative. Then interrogative means a question mark. For asking the question mark, we are using what, when, whose, like that. That is called the interrogative. Then emphasizing means the own and very words are used in emphasizing type of adjective. And then exclamatory, what is used what word is used for exclamatory adjective, like for example what an idea, what a blessing, etc. And then number type of adjective. So number means exactly the numbers are shown, but in that also there are three kinds of adjective, that is definite, in that definite, cardinal and ordinal numbers. So cardinal, definite, it shows that definite numbers, so cardinal are 1, 2 or 3 like that, and ordinals are first, second, third, etc. like that. Indefinite means there is no definite numbers are shown, so that all, no, many, few, some, any, certain, several, etc. are used for it. And then distributive means each, every, either, neither, everyone, like this when we are using in the sentence, so that is called the distributive numeral adjectives. So I hope all of you have understood this, whatever I have taught today about the adjective. So I will provide the PDF for writing all the notes for adjectives, and you have to solve the page number 26 to page number 28, all the exercise number 6 to exercise number 11 in your homework book of grammar. So I hope all of you understood whatever I have taught. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay blessed.